Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, I will show you how to prevent someone from sharing our reels and stories on Instagram. So stay with me until the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Step 1. Open an Instagram account. Click your profile account. Click setting an activity. After click setting an activity, click sharing and remix it. Okay, sharing and remix it. Click. Very good. I click sharing and remix it and click turn off the option all posts and reels sharing to a story. If you turn off this tick, no one can share your stories and reels. You can choose according to your personal opinion. Or easy. Okay, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tag on Tech.